Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unveil Universe. Huawei is working on a foldable smartphone and is targeting to release that foldable phone before the end of this year, somewhere in November. And Samsung too is going to release a foldable smartphone somewhere this year. And however, Huawei's foldable phone will be folding inwards and it may use OLEDs from LG. Even though LG is making its own foldable device, Huawei is aiming to introduce the foldable phones before Samsung. There is a lot of work to be done, but Huawei, we are not doubting you. I think you can do it. Xiaomi is entering into gaming phone market and has put a lot of effort and investment on the Black Shark technology, a Chinese gaming company. The Black Shark by Xiaomi is black and green styling phone. Looks very interesting. As a gamer, I just loved the design. It is a powerful device as it should be and is powered by Snapdragon 845 paired with 8 gigs of RAM, Full HD plus display with 21:9 aspect ratio and 4000 mAh battery. It comes with a attachable analog stick controller that snaps onto the side of the screen. The phone has true liquid cooling technology which is claiming to reduce temperature by 8 degrees Celsius. Xiaomi Black Shark is available for pre-order in China for 3,499 yuan, about 480 bucks. That is a bit cheap as you compare to other devices which are coming with Snapdragon 845. So what do you think about this Black Shark device by Xiaomi? Do let me know in the comment section below. And what are your thoughts on the Huawei's foldable device? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the video, do hit that subscribe button and do not forget to share the video with your tech crazy friends. And that is all for today. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one. Until then, peace.